We're looking at problem number 6 here. It says the graph of y equals f of x is shown in the figure above. On which of the following intervals are dy dx greater than 0 and d2y over dx2 less than 0? So now, what I would do is, I would not freak out. We all know dy dx is y prime, right? And y prime is the slope, right? And y prime is the same thing as f prime. So I want to know where f prime is bigger than 0. This means increasing. Okay? Increasing. Now, so, and this one here. So we haven't seen this notation enough. This is just y double prime. All this is y double prime. Okay? So I want to emphasize this. When you see d2y over dx2, this is y double prime. And you know, y double prime is the same thing as f double prime, right? So, I want to know where basically f prime is greater than 0, which means increasing, and where y double prime, so this one was less than 0, right? Okay, so I basically want to find out, so we know that this one here is less than 0, right? Which means that y double prime is less than 0, which means that f double prime is less than 0. So what am I trying to say here? Well, if we remember from a couple of problems ago, this means, it has to do with concavity. So this means concave down. So I want to find two things. I want to find what interval is this graph here. Both. This means increasing, and this means this, which means this, which means this, which means concave down. So I want to find where it's increasing and concave down. Okay? So we need to find those intervals. Now, I'm going to look here. Let's check from A to B. A to B. It is increasing, true? But it is concave up here, clearly, right? Here, the graph is increasing here. And it is concave, oh, excuse me. And now it's concave down. Okay? Now, I don't even remember what we were trying to find, but you want to just write each one. Here, now the graph is decreasing. Okay, it's going down, and the curve is concave down. Okay, so remember, increasing is when you're moving up, decreasing is when you're moving downwards, and the concavity, this is concave down, this is concave up. This is just review from last year, right? So where is it increasing and concave up? Oh, sorry. We wanted increasing and concave down. So where does that occur? It occurs between B and C, clearly. So thus the answer must be between B and C. So it's just 2 here. Okay? So 2 is only B, right? There you go.